welcome back to my CVS haul video, and thank you all for joining me once again. If you're new here, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I believe this will be a good week at CVS, whether you have paper coupons or not. I plan on doing 2 transactions today. The first one will be with a 10 of 70 CRT I got in my email after using the percentage of CRT. And the second one will be the 10 of 25 CRT that everybody received. For my first transaction using the 10 of 70, I will pick up 2 scope mouthwash. They're on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Picking up 2 will total $9.98. For the coupons I'm going to use for these products, we have a $2 coupon that we've had for some weeks now, and today we received a 3 off 2 digital coupon that can work for the Crest toothpaste, Oral-B or scope mouthwash. These 2 coupons will double dip and take off 4, dropping it down to $5.98, and I'll get $5 back, making both just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal will be on Axe body wash. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. I'll pick up 2 of the body wash, priced at $6.49. The second one will be $3.25. These 2 body washes will total $9.74. We have a $7.50 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $2.24, and I'll get 3 back, making these 2 free and 76 cents money maker. The next deal I have is on Airwick Advanced Plug-in Warmer. They're on sale for $4, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. I posted a video earlier on sharing this deal, and you can pick this up by itself because we have a $4 digital coupon, or you can do the deal by picking up 2. I found this paper coupon that says $1 off to any Airwick product that we use with this deal, and that will double dip with the $4 digital coupon and take off 5, leaving me to pay just $3 and get $3 back, making these 2 free. If you don't have the $1 coupon, you will pay $4 and get $3 back, making these 2 just $1 or 50 cents each. And before I forget, this coupon is no longer available. I think I printed it like 2 weeks ago or a week ago, I don't remember, but I checked and it's no longer available. The next deal I'm adding to this transaction will be the Gillette disposable razors. They're on sale for $6.99, and when you buy 1, you get $3 back. This is an all-digital deal and a very easy one. I'll pick up 1, use the $3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $3.99, and I'll get 3 back, making it just 99 cents. I'll pick up 5-ounce Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 1, you get $3 back. I will use a $2 tier pad coupon that will drop it down to $2.99, and I'll get $3 back, making it free. The last deal for this transaction will be the spend 30 get 10 back, limit of 1 per week. And I'll pick up the Gain detergent on sale for $9.99 and a Tide detergent on sale for $14.99. And to complete this deal, I'll pick up 120 bounce dryer sheets on sale for $6.99. And this will be my spend 30 get $10 back. And the total for these 3 items is $31.97. For the Gain, we have a $3 digital coupon. And for the Tide, we have a $3 coupon. And for the bounce, we also have a $1 coupon. The 3 coupons will take off $7, dropping it down to $24.97, and I'll get $10 back, making all 3 just $14.97 or $4.99 each. This is all the items for my 10 of 70 net purchase CRT, and the total for everything you're looking at is $71.67. And for the coupons and CRT, I have a $10 CRT, that's from the 10 of 70, and the paper coupon and digital coupon will be a total of $28.50. That means it will take off $38.50, dropping it down to $33.17. And I plan on using some extra care box to help lower my out-of-pocket. Let's go over my receipt and see how it worked out. The 2 paper coupons came off. That's the $2 for the Eucerin and the $1 for the Airwick. All the digital coupons I mentioned applied. The Airwick coupon double dip with the paper coupon, and also for the Scope and the Crest, the 3 off 2 and $1 off, they both double dipped. My 10 off 70 came off. I ended up using $31 in extra care box, paid just $2.16 out of pocket, and I got back $10 for the spend 30 get 10, $3 back for buying 2 of the Axe body wash, $3 back for buying the Gillette, $5 back for buying 2 of the Scope mouthwash, $3 for the air wig, and another $3 for the Eucerin. And that means I got back $27 in extra care box, and that made the cost of all these items just $6.17 or 56 cents each. For my last transaction using the 10 off 25 CRT, I'll pick up the OGX deal. They're on sale for $6.99, and when you buy one, you get $2 back. I would like to mention that the $17.99 shampoo is included in this deal in case you need it, but I don't want to pick up that. I'm going to pick up the oil on sale for $6.99 but originally priced at $10.99. I have a $2 Pili coupon that will drop it down to $4.99 and I'll get $2 back, making it just $2.99. The next deal I'm adding to this transaction will be the Aveeno Facial Care. They are part of the spend 25 get $10 back, limit of 1 per week. And I'll pick up the Aveeno Facial Cleanser, priced at $8.99. And I'll also pick up the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Facial Cream, priced at $15.99. These two will total $24.98, which is within the 98% rule to use the 10 off 25 CRT. And that will drop it down to $14.98, and I'll get 10 back. And I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on the facial cleanser and $5 back on the facial moisturizer. There is a spend 20 get $5 back on Activate Reward, which you can do at this point, but I'm going to do the spend 30 get 10 back. That's why I'm combining the OGX deal with the Aveeno deal, and my new total is $31.97. Using the 10 off $25 CRT and the $2 Pili coupon for the OGX, that will drop it down to $19.97, and I'll get $10 back for the spend 25 and $2 back for buying the OGX. And I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta for $8 back. That's $3 for the facial cleanser and $5 for the facial moisturizer. And for the Activate Reward, I will submit my receipt for $10 back for spending $30. Let's go over my receipt and see how this transaction worked out, and it went very well. The $2 came off, the 10 off 25 CRT also came off as well. I ended up using $20 in extra care box. The last one was $4 and it adjusted down to $3.97. I paid $0 out of pocket, I only paid tax, and I got back $10 for the spend 25 and $2 back for the OGX hair care. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $3 for the facial cleanser and $5 back for the facial moisturizer. I already submitted my receipt to Activate Reward and I'm waiting for response. After everything works out, this transaction will end up free and $10.03 moneymaker. And this concludes my video for today, and I hope this is helpful. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.